welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Ama. If you like love, lifestyle, and a little passport stamp, this is the channel for you. So make sure you subscribe because I post every week and have been for the last 12 months. Hey guys, so today is going to be a day in the life vlog. It's a little different. I should be at work, but your girl is off, so we're just going to spend an off day with me. I started off my day at a local cafe bakery Joan, and I brought my Kindle. Y'all know I got a Kindle for Christmas, and I'm currently reading The Teacher by Frida McFadden. I still need to go see The Housemaid's Tale. I always mix it up and say Handmaid's Tales, but it's The Housemaid's Tale. Yeah, that's what that book is called. It was a good book. I've heard mixed reviews about the movie, but I'm really excited to see it. I'm gonna go with my sister. She's read the book as well, and then we're gonna go with someone else who hasn't. So it'll be interesting to see from, you know, people who've read the book and someone who hasn't. I know a lot of people have mixed feeling about Miss Frida. I love Big Frida, you feel me? So I just read and ate. I forgot what I ate, but I eat the same thing every time I come here, and I get the same drink every time I come here. I'm gonna head to a Pilates class. Actually, I should be on my way. So we're gonna do a nice little Pilates. I'm gonna do 2 Pilates classes today. The first one is Reformer Pilates, and then the second one is gonna be Mat Pilates. So let me go to this class. I'm all dressed. I do have to wrap my hair and stuff, but I'll do that when I get to the studio. All right, y'all, we made it to the studio. I have 11 minutes to spare, so let me get in, get comfortable. I'll see you guys like in an hour after class is over. Solo day is going great. I read a little bit, went to a Pilates class. It's hot in here, it's actually warm out. Went to Pilates class. Pilates was great. And now I'm at the mall because I'm about to get in new Yearman. As you can see, I have 2 currently. I have a 2-tone one where the cuffs are gold, and then I have a pink one, and I'm kind of having a little difficulty trying to figure out what my third piece should be. I feel like it should be a cuff, but I don't know what the ends should be. I was thinking the black ends, but I just need to go look and see. I took down my hair because in this new year, I'm not going to be walking around my hair wrapped every 6 seconds. So I literally just took down my hair and brushed it. You guys are dying, but I'm gonna take you guys in. I really wish I could have vlogged in Pilates. I probably could have, but I just don't want to be that girl, you know what I'm saying? You know, people come into Pilates to just work out, and not everything needs to be an on-camera moment. And there's this one girl who likes to, the things that if you're gonna record, make sure no one's in the frame, you feel me? There's this girl, hold on, and in one of the Pilates classes I take, there's this girl, she doesn't care. She brought the camera anywhere, and I hate sitting around her. Like, every time I see she there, I'm like, oh my gosh. Like, I'd be far away from that girl, because she don't care who's in her video. I just don't like that. I say that to say Pilates was cool, and I didn't want to vlog in there. But now, let's get this Yearman. I probably will vlog. But the last time I came here, the employee, I don't know. I wasn't really feeling her attitude. So hopefully somebody else is here, because I'm not doing that.
This is the black in the 5.
In the 5. I'm going to like right here. I don't know if I love it. What piece do you think would go good with the 2 I already had? So this is it with the black. I think the pink is throwing it off, but
It is. That's what I was getting ready to say.
This is cute.
What about this one? Junior, you could wear those together. But the pink is cool. But I think that looks better.
You're not a fan of the pink, huh?
I like the pink.
You like the pink?
But if I had that, I would have to wear it by itself.
Yeah.
Unless I had a green one like that.
Can I see the one with the black again, please?
Mm-hmm.
We like this?
Mm-hmm.
Dang, and just do what with this?
Wear it
On the other hand, I don't like wearing bracelets on this hand, which is so funny. So I guess I would just have to put it in my pocket.
No, you don't want to lose it.
Yeah. This is
I
nice.
would wear it on the other hand.
On the other hand. Alright, y'all, so I just stopped at the David Yearman counter, which you saw. I didn't end up buying anything because I'm not the one actually buying the pieces. It's a gift, but I want to see what they would look like on my wrist because of the pink. The pink is throwing everything off, unfortunately. I did take some pictures of what the stack would look like with the pink. It's giving the pink has to go on my left hand, and then the rest go on my, or the pink has to go on my right hand and the rest stay on my left. Mixed feelings about that, but yeah, I don't know if you guys were able to see like all the pictures and stuff of the stack I took, so I'll show you a few. What y'all think about that? Y'all like that? We have this one. I kind of like this one though. We have this. This is what it looks like with the pink. So we'll see. Y'all, I'm tired. I'm sweating. It's been a couple hours. Went home, showered. Y'all, my lashes, I need to get them redone so bad. I initially didn't have an appointment, but I just booked one. But I can't get one. I was hoping to get one for Monday, but I can't. So it has to be the following Monday. So hopefully, okay, just not too much. I tied up my hair because, you know, I just don't want it in the way when I'm working with the wheel. But y'all, parking was freaking ridiculous. I've only been to this area one time when I got lost. But this parking lot is so small and there's like a whole bunch of shops and stuff. And so the parking lot was full. Just know, like, it took a little minute to find some parking. So I found some parking. I'm about to go in. I don't know exactly where the studio is, but class is in like 4 or 5 minutes, so let me go hurry up. We're doing a pottery class. I don't know if I told you guys. We're doing a pottery class on the wheel. This is my first time. I'm not even an artsy girl, so yeah, this is just like for fun. And if I like it, I might, like, you know, make it a thing, but we'll see. But let me go. Yeah, I'm gonna catch y'all later. 1000% irritated. So y'all can see I'm at this class ready to go. So there is a loud dog barking. I'm like, yo, whose dog is that? Then I get into the studio, I see the dogs in the studio. So I talked to the lady, I'm like, is the dog gonna be like roaming? Like, what's up? And she was like, yeah, the dog's gonna be roaming. Why did anyone say that? I was like, there was nothing like on anywhere that said that there's a dog in the class. So then I asked, like, can I reschedule? Like, is there another day I can come? And she's like, yeah, but they bring their dogs on this day and this day and this day. I'm just like, not everyone likes dogs. Like, why is a dog in my class? So now I'm upset and irritated, but I'm not gonna let this bother me. I'm gonna go home, regroup, and then still enjoy the rest of my solo day because this day's about me and y'all just not gonna irritate me. My hair tie came out of my hair, like, y'all. I was really looking forward to this pottery class because it's something I've been wanting to do for a minute. Like, it's just something I really wanted to get into. I had all these things in my head that I wanted to make today, and so for this to happen is crazy. And I think my sister has been here before, and she didn't encounter anything like this. I'm just like, and I just feel like it would have just been a little bit appropriate to just inform the participants that, hey, there is a dog here or a dog is coming. Like I said, I'm going to go home. I'm going to send an email because, y'all, I done wasted gas. I done wasted my time. I searched this parking lot for minutes to find good parking. Like, this is so stressful. Like, I don't want to have to do this again. She was like, you can maybe come Friday nights, but then they bring their dogs. I'm like, then she was like, you can come Saturday, but they... Everyone bring their dog every class. Like, oh my. So I'm going to go home, going to email, take a second, and then see how I'm going to pivot. I might just read my Kindle, continue reading. My goal last year was to read 60 books, which I did. This year I upped it to 72, so maybe I'll just hit my 3rd book of the year. Who knows? But just know, like, ooh, your girl is not happy right now. Your girl is not happy. But let's just go home. I was gonna say I could go to Dunkin' and get a nice little drink to cheer me up, but I kind of already had a drink earlier today, so I really don't need that. It's not warm, but it's like not cold. I don't feel like I should be like taking in Ritas because it's not that warm out, but I just need like something sweet to, you know, cheer me up or something, because this is just ridiculous. Like, y'all, I just feel like I wasted my time. It's not like I feel I did waste my time, and I just could be doing something else right now. I really could have done something else right now, so that's frustrating. But like I said, I'm trying not to dwell on it too much, so let me go home. And yeah, man, just know I'm not even gonna adjust the lighting. I'm sorry, but I made it home. Yeah, I don't know, I might take myself out to eat. I'm a little hungry, so I might go get something to eat. I could go on a walk. Like I said, it's warm. Who's calling me? Hold on, y'all. Like I said, it's like warm, cold. Like, it's not that cold, but it's like not super warm. The sun's out, and it's like, I don't know what the weather is, but it feels good outside. So I might go for a walk. I might yesterday, I don't really want to say we got into an argument, but we had a little discussion where the man was like, he felt like I was too busy for him this week, like all these things. So we could go out and I could go hang with him, but then it's supposed to be a solo date. So yeah, I don't know. But honestly, I might just go out to eat and just read my book. But I'm just gonna end this vlog here. Yeah, I did email the pottery people, so I probably will keep you guys updated in another vlog. If you are new, don't forget to subscribe. My name is Alma, like I said earlier. I post every week and have been. Okay, and have been. If you're new, if you're old, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys next week, Monday, for another video. And we will try this pottery jump another time, because today trained me in my Marlo Hampton voice. Anyway, bye, beauties.
Anything you could do, I could do better. I can do better than you.